Love is your birthright. Just by being born and being on this planet, you represent the divine love, the divine spirit, by just being here. Now, we come from land of love and land of God, and we are here, we have incarnated into a human body. A lot of us mistaken being love and having love as their birthright with the fact of human love and a romantic love. Romantic love is something of value that represents the divine love. However, romantic love, normally it's short term. It comes and goes. And since we're attaching this part of love to the romantic love, we're objectifying it. So we're looking at it as an object that I need to fall in love with somebody to experience this. But the actual love is always here. It's our very essence, it's our very being, is who we are. And the object of desire is normally mirroring the love, mirroring this aspect of ourselves, but then the object is gone. So, and we think we've lost it. But in reality, we are love, we're pure love, and that is always here. So when we do recognize this aspect of ourselves and we begin to separate the two, which means that we are separating the illusion from what is the truth. And we come back to this place, we settle into ourselves and we come to here. And we quiet down and we come and touch ourselves inside. We are mellowing down, we settle down, and we come to the presence. We begin to feel and touch the presence, the divine self. And then all of a sudden we feel the love which is always here. And we recognize that love is truly our birthright.